You have been called from New Delhi. Who has called you and what is the meeting all about?
Midnight yesterday, Bubagra has called me that please you come to Delhi. We have an emergency meeting in Delhi, and most probably our leader, central leader, Bikar Uncle also will be going. So some few leaders was called by Bubagra. That is the main reason I'm going today, and hopefully there will be some discussion will take place with the Home Ministry. So I'm not very clear, but still I hope there will be some discussion, dialogue will take place. Let us see what will be outcome.
Do you still stick to that main court demand that you have?
That we'll discuss in detail. Of course, we always want the constitutional solution. What will be solution constitutionally, we'll find out. And maybe without discussion, I cannot say anything.
But 2 days back, TIPRA had little come down from its main demand of a greater TIPRA and a separate state. You have mentioned about a state within state. Do you stick to that?
No, still now there is no confirmation. We stick our own core issue. But through discussion, I think something will come out. What I believe.
And the state within state is there?
No, that is we are asking for the statehood, Article 2 and 3. But let us see what is the outcome, because through discussion only will come to know.
And on the basis of that, seat sharing will take place?
Let us see for discussion with our issue. Our the seat sharing will be later on.
And from Home Ministry, who will be meeting you? The Home Ministry?
Most probably Home Minister like Amit Shah ji will be most probably there, or maybe some other officials. I don't know. I'm just I was called by the Bubagra, so I'm going.
Who along are accompanying you?
Oh, of course, my wife is also with me, and some other leaders also. Just because long time we don't meet Maharaj also, so just.
Thank you.